Have you ever woken up, stared at the ceiling, and thought, what am I even doing with my life? You're not alone. Millions of people feel lost, unsure of where they're going, what their purpose is, or if they're even on the right path. But here's the truth. Feeling lost isn't a sign that you're failing. It's a signal that you're about to grow. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how to turn this confusion into clarity. Let's start here. Why do we even feel lost? First, we compare ourselves too much. Everyone online seems to be ahead, better jobs, better relationships, better everything, but comparison kills your perspective. Second, we expect life to follow a straight line. School, career, success, happiness. Reality is messy. Progress looks like a zigzag, not a ladder. And third, we've lost touch with ourselves. We're so busy listening to noise from the outside world that we stop asking, what do I actually want? Here's something powerful. Being lost isn't the end of your story, it's the beginning of a new chapter. Think of your life like a GPS. When you take a wrong turn, the system doesn't say game over, it simply recalculates. Feeling lost is your brain recalculating. It's telling you something needs to change. Start small wins. When you're lost, the worst thing you can do is freeze. Start tiny. Exercise for 5 minutes, read 1 page, write down 1 thought. Small wins, rebuild momentum, cut the noise. Spend less time scrolling, more time reflecting. Grab a notebook and ask, what do I actually want my life to look like 1 year from now? Write freely, no filters. Focus on direction, not destination. You don't need to figure out your entire life right now, just pick a direction. Move towards curiosity, growth, and the things that energize you. Redefine success. Success isn't owning the biggest house or making millions. Success is progress. Success is becoming 1% better than you were yesterday. Here's the secret. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes because of action. You don't wait to find yourself and then start living. You start living, and in the process, you find yourself. So if you feel lost right now, remember this. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're simply in the middle of writing the part of your story where everything changes. Take 1 step forward today, however small. That's all it takes to begin. And hey, share in the comments, what's 1 small step you'll take today to move forward? I'll be reading them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe because your journey matters and we're building it together.